Alright, this is 4655 Bardsdale. We just got done jet cleaning these pipes. See a little bit of water left in here from us jetting. That's where the left side of the bathroom master ties in. And this is going to run back to bathroom all the way in the back of the house. So that's where that right side bathroom ties in. And it's a double Y. So this is probably going to be the laundry in the kitchen. And then continuing straight will be the bathroom all the way in the back of the house. See, there's no debris in the pipes, there's no cracks, there's no breaks, there's no grease, there's no calcium, there's no scale. Everything has been removed. So we got a double Y back here, so we're going to have shower, vanity, one's going to be a stack, and then this is actually, that's the bottom of that Toto toilet that's back there. So now we've gone through the entire house. Everything is clean, everything is clear. There's no more debris left in the pipes. When we got here, there was quite a bit of debris. Actually had the line plugged up, but now that we've jetted everything and cleaned everything out, it's beautiful. The camera really magnifies things, so if there was an issue, you absolutely would know it. If I put my finger in front of the camera, my finger looks huge. And we're back up to the clean out. Everything looks great.